So I decided to kind of come up a little bit closer. I was obviously just over there past this bridge. I wanted to kind of come into the area with the swamp bar. I'm going to come right up here. Kind of the side of it, but it comes all the way around there. You can see the back side here. I'm going to come around here, show the back side, and it obviously loops all around. So it's one big circular area here for them to serve drinks, obviously mostly on the pool side. And like I said, there was a kids area years ago when they had kids here. I'm just going to quickly show you that, but obviously it's now adults only. It does say 16 plus on the website sometimes, and some say 18, some say 16 plus, but there's no, you have to be 18 here. Now this is the old kids place back in the day. Now it's just empty, and they even have the wading pool over there, which just sits empty. It's full of water, but it's empty, and this whole building does too. I'm wondering if down the road they'll make this into something interesting. Obviously I won't know that, because I don't know when I'll be back next. Could be a couple more years, but we'll see. And of course this little pergola with a bunch of, well, it's just a walkway up there. So that's it. Nothing special, nothing crazy, but something to see.